CPU, RAM, or ROM. Read-only memory. Don't forget. Random access memory. Read-only memory. CPU, central processing unit of the motherboard. So that's this one consists of the boot section. Is that clear? Then also the network section. The network section, we're going to be talking about random access memory. While here, the network section, we're going to be talking about the network IC, and network, just the end means what? Network cable. All that has to do with the network section. Then the SIM port area also on the network. You understand? SIM port lines, or just a configuration or something. Is that clear? Then the DC to DC section, it is also connected to this one. You understand? But this one is different from this charging section is related to this DC to DC, because in fact this is even the major part of the PCB, of the charging section, because it's filters. It's coming from the DC direct current, then it's the bridge between the DC. Yes, it's the bridge between the DC direct current and the AC. What's AC? Alternate current. That's the battery. So if while light is coming to and while current is flowing into this place, this one filters it, then comes to this place, then it's sends it to the charging IC, then while it's being distributed. So the DC to DC, so this is what the DC to DC IC is very, very important, because it's always around the charging IC. This is a charging IC here, this very small one. You can see this one. This is a charging filter.
That smallest one.
That small one, yeah, that one you are seeing. This one I'm holding. That's it. The charging filter. You understand? We call it DC to DC. This is a DC to DC IC. If this one is faulty, in fact, that's even the major reason why this phone is not charging. He knows. That's the major reason why this phone is not charging. And it will not even power on sometimes, because it's mixed flow and current flow, and also but I think I was able to get where they sell it, in the store. So also the SMDs, yes, the SMD, the meaning of SMD, small as surface mount devices. Surface mount devices, that's the meaning of what? The full meaning of SMD. So that's why we have S there, devices, because it's not just one. And we have them in variety. We have the capacitor, resistor, diode. We have the transistor. Then we have other TOS. I meant to say that other components on the PCB. So these are components. These are SMDs here. These are SMDs because they are surface mount. This is a surface here, so they are mounted on the surface. So in fact, the major thing you need to know as a technician is you need to be kept abreast of the functions of SMD. These are, once you know everything about this, it will be very easier for you to solve all other things. The functions of all these things and functions, you know their names, you know their functions, what they do, how they operate, the current they supply, because all of them will not supply the same currents.